Hi guys, this is Zaman. This is iClever Rechargeable Keyboard. In the box you will find USB cable, this keyboard and a cover for the keyboard. So it's a rechargeable keyboard. It takes around 10 to 15 minutes to recharge it, and then you can use it, and it has like good battery life. It is a normal regular keyboard which can connect to multiple devices. Like it can connect to 3 devices. Here are the indicators to switch between the devices. Here are the 3 keys. You can use it to switch between the devices. Like it is connected to first. If you want to connect to second devices, you just have to click like this. If you have paired it before, for pairing you have to just click it for around 3 to 5 seconds, then it will start showing on the devices. Let's check the latency. Let's first connect it to the first device. So you can see like I'm just tapping it and it is just appearing in the within microsecond it's appearing on the screen. So it has like low latency. So it's a good keyboard and good option.
So here's the keyboard, the Bluetooth keyboard that you probably don't want to buy. This is the Bluetooth radio indicator. As you can see, it wants to come on. It flashes you the light as you press on it, but it doesn't stay lit. It doesn't want to communicate. That's a bad thing. And as you can see, you'll search in vain. It'll never be found. Bottom line, don't buy this unless you have a lack of aggravation in your life and are looking to fill the void.